because now going back to robotics and AI, there are examples when a neuroscientific experiment can really change the current understanding that we have about the computational model. And it can change also the hardware implementation. So we can have a robot that, for example, doesn't do what we expect it to do. We can actually go back, ask that question in the brain, get an answer, modify our algorithm, and then have our robot working again. So this was an example where, well, just going to make this short, basically people thought that the inputs that grid cells are getting are mostly excitatory for their kind of activity and inhibitory for activities that are different from its own. So basically, to make an analogy, you would say that a person is like themselves because they're getting a lot of inputs like themselves, and then they're getting very few inputs that are unlike themselves. And then this was actually proven to be false. Someone put an electrode in a grid cell and saw that this is really not the case. They seem to be getting inputs from all kinds of brain areas, from visual, speed, border, head direction, as I explained. So this theory actually fell. The algorithms were modified, and this is actually going to help us better understand autonomy in the future. And this brings me to one of my favorite